News for all of you car enthusiasts, but with deep pockets. More than a year after it was showcased at the 2014 Auto Expo, the BMW i8 has finally been launched in India. It's going to be available in a single variant with its ex-showroom price tag of, hold your breath, 2.29 crore rupees. The car would be brought to India as a completely built-up unit. Farah Bukhwala Vora gets us all the details on BMW's newest model for India.
Well, with a price tag of 2.3 crore rupees, the BMW i8 is certainly a car that one can only dream of. It is a stunning beauty from the stable of BMW i, the sub-brand of the BMW group, and it combines the benefits of a petrol and an electric engine. Now, running on battery power, the car can go up to 120 kilometers per hour with a maximum range of 35 kilometers. It's also a car that is very superior as far as its technological inputs goes, as well as the manufacturing inputs are very superior. With the car using carbon fiber, a superior complex compound that is extremely light and makes the car extremely light as well. At the same time, this is also a car that is extremely low on fuel consumption as well as carbon emissions. The car will be brought into India as a completely built-up unit and will be available at all BMW i showrooms in Mumbai, Chennai and New Delhi. It's unusual for us to usually talk about sales targets as far as premium luxury products like these go, but when we asked the management about any sort of sales targets that they might have, they were very confident that the car would cross about 200 units a year in sales, and that's a tall claim if you ask me, considering that companies like Lamborghini have been here for about a decade and have still only managed to sell a little above 100 units. But certainly this does not take away from the fact that the BMW i8 is a very superior, sleek and a very stylish sports car.
And I think we should look at the Indian market in the mid and the long term, because in the long term there's a high growth potential for pure electric and hybrid cars. The Indian National Electric Mobility Mission Plan 2020 goes in the right direction. They expect 5 million electrical cars in India.
I know it's an unusual question to ask, but do you have any targets as far as this car goes in terms of sales in India?
I personally, I'm optimistic that we can sell in the near future, in the next years or so, 200 cars a year of such a car.
That's what you can get if you can afford 2.3 crore rupees for a car.
Audio